Hey everybody, today we're going to be making lamb fillets with a potato mash with peas throughout it and some roast baby carrots. The dish today has been flavoured with the Saveur products, the Italian Pinzimonio olive oil mix, which has delicious Italian flavours throughout it, the Himalayan salt and pepper, which has the added flavours of Australian sea salt and is a fabulous addition for your kitchen, and the onion garlic rub, which is amazing meat rub to add to any of the protein that you may have at home. I'll let you know where you can download the full recipe for this by the end of the video. We're going to be using cooked vegetables in there, which is the potato and the peas. They have been drained off, and then we're going to be adding in the Italian Pinzimonio olive oil mix and some ground up Himalayan salt and pepper. And then we just pop it all in here, mash it all up, and pop it on the plate. So the next step is the lamb. We're going to use lamb fillets, some really good quality olive oil, and the onion garlic rub from the Saveur range. Combine them in a bowl, mix it all up, get some really good flavour happening on the meat, and then what you're going to do to cook it is to get a really hot pan, sear both sides, and then take it off, let it rest for a minute, and cut it. Pop it on your mash with your roast carrots and put the meat on there. Give it a good squeeze of lemon juice over the top, and voila, you have dinner. Fletch, Holly.
Oh, that was delicious. Do we get to eat it?
Yeah.
For the complete recipe, check out our website.
And be sure to check out the entire Saveur range.